Today we're going to be reviewing the Suzuki RM85 L 2018 model. So the L stands for big wheels. It comes with a 19-inch front wheel and a 16-inch back wheel. The bigger wheels give you better handling and comfort. It's got a high revving 85cc revalve engine, which features alloy exhaust valves for more stable combustion, in combination with the Cayenne carburetor. This gives the engine plenty of power. At the front end of the bike is inverted shower cartridge forks, which are adjustable. And that's the same as the rear end, as the shock is adjustable too. The braking system has large disc brakes, both front and rear, with twin piston caliper up front. The seat height on the RM85L is 875mm. This year it comes with an awesome sticker kit and a Pro Circuit Piper muffler. Up front we've got rental bars that are standard, so they've changed the front and rear guards to UFO plastic, so it gives it a cool look. So that's all they've changed this year. These bikes have always been rock solid, so let's go out and try it. I've just come back from riding the RM85 2018 model. It's a great little bike. It's really smooth and you can roll on the throttle and the power's instantly there. The brakes are really nice, super touchy, so when you're jumping on them, they stop right away. The suspension is for someone about my weight. It's really nice. Out of the box, it's just perfect. Like the sag's already set basically. Well, it felt like it. Everything just felt at home. Like it felt like I was riding my own bike. And that's good for a stock bike just coming out of the crate. With the Pro Circuit pipe on it, it sounded mint. It sounded really clean. So the things that I didn't like about this bike was the headstand, but we can always tighten that up. The foot pegs, I'd rather put my own foot pegs on there because it's a little bit more grippier and a wider space. And the grips, they just wore my hands up a little bit. What I liked about the engine was the bottom end because of how easy it was to come out the corner. The rental fat bars were awesome because they had the right flex for me. Value for money, this bike is awesome. This is basically all you need to race a bike, so go out and get yourself one.
For all your insurance needs, visit swaninsurance.com.au.